Well, today's the big day. I'm going to move the vertical milling center here, and where those hot rods are is its new home. It's basically going to occupy that entire half of the shop or so. Anyway, hopefully you get it here in one piece. I did rent a big forklift for the weekend, so I can do that. And my little green one behind there only lifts 2,500 pounds. The machine weighs about 5,000, so I wouldn't do it.
Wrong way.
Yeah,
yes. Well, see, like that. See that?
Yeah, just tap that under there.
It'll swallow, maybe.
Okay. Where did I?
Second.
All right. Really see.
Yeah,
I definitely thought about that because I would like this viewing angle open for
filming light.
Yeah.
It's not too unintelligent.
Well, that light will never make it in this box.
It'll be diffused, but the light's here.
Yeah. You'll see the depth of that box is going to push away from that window, but I do like the angle because I'd like to film for YouTube videos through here.
Okay. There you go.
All right, cool.
And plus, there's other access issues here too.
Yes.
So.
Ready?
Yeah, I think that's just kind of intuitively. You can always move it later.
Yes, that's it.
Oops. It is. I mean, it's this. This is the workhorse.
Yes.
Normally, I remember we could walk all the way around there. So.
Yeah, it's because they had a big ass.
No, it's a small space. It's a 2C space.
I don't know what that means. I know it's bigger than a single car garage.
No, it wasn't.
What?
It was exactly the size.
You're kidding me.
The space where this was, yeah. Yeah, it was a small space.
Go in the front.
Now, they're big fabricating shop, but their mill lives in the little space.
I remember the week we bought micrometer and the granite stones is the week I went over there. And looked at the programming. It was all in text, I think. Where'd you come from? I just didn't take that one. That's what they do, huh? Yeah. How do you, I just put that in there. Because you don't have one in there. Oh, you're fine. You got one right there. You're fine. Yeah, I know. No, you push. Let's go. We'll take this one and see if you're not. I need to go up now. We can nitpick. Yeah, keep it moving. You're excited? That's the same thing as never get excited. Are you excited? I'm getting a pump from this. What? Yeah, workout pump. It's nothing. But it doesn't mean I use light weights to get my pumps. You're not muscle ready. I'm not meathead. I'm trying to work out intelligently. Take my big call. Okay, time to tell me how to start turn. Let's push this and then we'll have clearance once we get it done deeper, Pushing me anymore. Pushing me sideways.
people, got this thing in my garage now. I don't know how to use it, but it's kind of a step in the right direction. I'll give you a quick overview of the machine and what I know about it so far, which isn't much. But basically, this is a CMS milling machine, and CMS is located in America, but I think this machine might be made in France. I could be wrong on that. I'm gonna have to find out for sure. But it does have a 10 tool changer on it. It uses ISO 20 tooling, so it's not cat tooling. So it's still available, but not quite as plentiful. It did come with a full assortment of the ER20 holders for that, so that's good because I have a lot of ER20 tooling. But very cool machine. It's got I'm guessing it's a 5 horsepower spindle motor because it has a 3.7 kilovolt amp or whatever kVA is. It has a 3.7 kVA VFD I noticed on the back of the machine. So here's the side window where you guys will be seeing a lot of the video through. Unless it sucks, then I'll try to figure something else out on the front, even if I have to cut a hole in the existing enclosure so you guys can have clearer viewing. I'll do that. I'll show you the back of the machine. Lighting's gonna suck back here, but anyway, it's pretty serious enclosure here. These things, whatever they are kind of loose. They came off in the shipping from Florida to here. But there's the PLC, which is apparently like the computer that drives it. Here's the servo drives there, and some giant inverter there, and then there's the 3.7 whatever VFD there. So anyway, I don't know a lot about this stuff, but I'm gonna learn, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. Looks like this thing's set up with flood coolant. There's a pretty serious pump there. Yeah, the machine weighs about 5,000 pounds, so that's why it took so much work to get it here, and moving it was a pain in the butt. But a quick overview of that: I basically cut some 1 5/8" tubing and cut them about 6 inches in length, and had about 14 of those, and I just cycled them through. And I have it sitting on pressure treated 4x4 right now, just so my jack can fit under it. You see this cracking here? It's kind of just superficial. It's just like a Bondo. This whole base is cast iron, and that just chipped away. So what I'll probably do is sand that down, skim coat it with Bondo, and then paint this whole thing with that same white color, that off-white, kind of like what the Haas machines use. Anyway, hopefully you like the video, and hopefully I learned how to use this and produce some pretty cool stuff with it. Thanks for stopping by.